Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to edit the header in WordPress using Elementor completely free. Whether you want to change your logo, menu or design, I have got you covered. Let's get started. First of all, make sure you are using a theme that works well with Elementor. I recommend Hello Elementor, Astra or Generate Press. All of them support custom header. Now, to create or edit a header with the free version of Elementor, install a plugin called Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Go to Plugins, search for Header Footer Elementor. Select it, then upgrade and activate. Now go to Appearance, then Header Footer Builder and click Add New. Set the header type. Choose entire website. Under Display Rules, click Edit with Elementor. Now design your header. Drag in a section. Add a side logo widget. Add a new nav menu widget. Make sure a menu is created in WordPress. Customize styles. Use the Style tab. To adjust fonts, spacing, colors, shadows, layouts. Make sure it looks good on mobile too. Use responsive mode. You now have full control over how your header looks, and it will work across every page. When you are done, hit publish. Or click save button from here. Make sure the display condition is set to entire website or whichever pages you want the header to appear on. Visit your home page and you will see the custom header you just built. It's that simple, and that's how you edit or create a custom header in WordPress using Elementor for free. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more Elementor tutorials, and comment below if you want a video on sticky headers on or mega menus next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.